As we find ourselves in the middle of a rather wet winter, we thought we'd reminisce a little and transport ourselves back to July 2025, when something truly extraordinary happened at Wentworth Woodhouse. The Royal Horticultural Society Flower Show arrived on site in July. The scale was phenomenal, and it's without doubt the biggest event that's been held at Wentworth Woodhouse since the Preservation Trust acquired the site back in 2017.
As you'd expect, a prestigious event of this type was many years in the planning. Wentworth Woodhouse was chosen by the RHS as part of their strategy to make events more inclusive and less centred around the south of England. But before we begin, thank you for supporting Wentworth Woodhouse by watching this film. And if you'd like to be part of something extraordinary, you can make a donation by following the Just Giving link in the description below. Thank you.
For the Wentworth Woodhouse Preservation Trust, the Flower Show presented a magnificent opportunity to host an internationally important event that showcased not only Wentworth Woodhouse itself, but the Rotherham and South Yorkshire area as a whole. But before the flower displays and show gardens arrived, there was a huge amount of planning to do. The Flower Show involved the use of the east front lawns, the west front gardens and the interiors of Wentworth Woodhouse. Using interior spaces was a first for the RHS, and visitors responded very positively to the innovation.
Early in 2025, the RHS undertook a number of surveys of the exterior grounds here to make sure that they knew exactly where services and pipework may lay under the surface. This exploration was crucial to avoid potential damage when the show gardens were being installed.
Under normal circumstances, visitors to Wentworth Woodhouse arrive via the main entrance gate and pass down the drive to the visitor car park close to the house. Even for our regular footfall, this arrangement is challenging at times.
For the flower show, very serious thought had to be given to the logistics of getting people to the site efficiently and safely. During the 5 days of the show, we had over 60,000 visitors to Wentworth Woodhouse. That's the equivalent of 6 average months of visitor numbers during 2024. So getting visitors to the site and parking were of course key challenges to be addressed.
The RHS needed to provide parking for up to 5,000 cars per day. Some of these spaces had to be close to the house for people with mobility impairments, but not all of the land that surrounds Wentworth Woodhouse is actually owned by the Preservation Trust. A solution was found with the RHS working in partnership with the Fitzwilliam Wentworth Amenity Trust, which owns much of the surrounding land. Parking was made available on both sides of the main drive, and a large part of the field which sits below the bastion wall to the south of Wentworth Woodhouse was turned into a large car park, along with more land to the east.
The RHS and the Trust were very aware that the volume of expected traffic may have a detrimental effect on the local area. So considerable planning went into alleviating this, including the use of temporary traffic lights, traffic marshals, and setting up a park and ride facility from the nearby Meadow Hall shopping centre. We do recognise, however, that with the number of visitors, some queues at certain times were inevitable.
All told, several hundred staff, contractors and volunteers were involved in making sure that the flower show ran smoothly. The RHS brought their own teams on site to manage the show. They worked closely with our team of duty managers from the Trust and over 30 Wentworth Woodhouse volunteers, along with our entire catering team. It took 16 days to build the show and another 7 days to take it all down. A further 7 days were needed for specialists to undertake remedial work to the east front lawns where the main show gardens were sited. In total, the RHS team were on site at Wentworth Woodhouse for over a month, even though the show only ran for 5 days.
There were over 250 exhibitors, 5 show gardens plus 5 feature gardens and 20 long borders, as well as a number of community gardens. In addition, over 75 talks and sessions were delivered across the 3 main venues. Alongside the catering provided by the RHS, the Trust served 576 afternoon teas and washed over 8,000 pieces of crockery. Our chefs themselves walked over 50 miles just in our small catering kitchen.
Both the Trust and the RHS have learned much as a result of the show coming to Wentworth Woodhouse. The visitor reaction has been overwhelmingly positive, and the event attracted a huge amount of media coverage, which was great for the whole South Yorkshire area.
As we all evaluate impact and the success of the first ever flower show here at Wentworth Woodhouse, we are hopeful that the show will return here in the near future.
And we want to say a heartfelt thank you to local farmers, businesses and local residents for their support, cooperation and patience as we put on the world-famous RHS Flower Show here at Wentworth Woodhouse.
Don't forget to subscribe to our video channel so that you never miss a new release. And do give us a like and post a comment below. Thank you.